Hello, my name is Samantha Marinas, and today I will be talking about how to dress like a princess. When you were young, you hear a lot of stories about princesses and castles, and some little girls, in which I was definitely one of them, dream about looking like or even being a princess. This is important because some of you may have had the same dream of wanting to look like / be a princess. I personally grew up dreaming of looking like a princess. I would even dress up as one every Halloween for a few years. I will be including some of the do's and don'ts used by the royals at Buckingham Palace, where the Queen and real princesses live, to give ideas on how real princesses look like. At the end of this presentation, you will know how to look and maybe even feel like a princess. To do so, you must wear a beautiful dress that you are comfortable in, of course, makeup that brings out the true beauty in a princess, and dazzling jewelry to tie the whole look together. In fairy tales or movies, a princess is known for wearing a big, puffy, ball-gown dress. However, there are many different styles of dresses, so you do not necessarily need to wear a big dress, like a ball gown, to look like a princess. Some other dress styles that you could wear to look like a princess are shift dresses, high-low dresses, blazer dresses, and pencil dresses. You can also wear skirts if you'd rather wear those than dresses. When it comes to dress length, the Queen of England has her own rules about it, that of which princesses and all the royals must follow. The Queen requires the princesses to wear dresses and skirts that are not too short and lead to knee length, so something like a hemline right below the knee would give you the look of a royal princess. Another thing that could come into play when wearing skirts or dresses are stockings, or pantyhose. It is up to the individual if they want to wear stockings / pantyhose, and they can choose between sheer and skin tone, or of a black or other color that matches your skirt or dress. Now that we have talked about the dresses and dress styles, we are now going to talk about the makeup that will give you the look of a princess. When it comes to makeup, you can also choose which styles you would like to wear. You can even choose to not wear makeup at all if you're more comfortable without it. Regardless of whether you choose to wear makeup or not, any and every princess is beautiful. There are many different ways and styles for wearing makeup, and there is no right or wrong way to wear it. You could choose to wear a full face of makeup with beautiful contouring and eyeshadow look, or something subtle and simple that gives off a natural look. However, if you want to achieve the look of a royal, the Queen also has another set of rules for wearing makeup. They cannot wear bright lipstick, heavy contouring, or heavy makeup. In other words, the royals are only allowed to wear light and natural makeup. Another thing that applies to color, but not necessarily makeup, is nail polish. You can choose between many different colors, bright or dark, or no nail polish at all. However, the Queen also has her own rules about it. She does not allow colored nail polish, but she allows the princesses to wear a nude color. Now that we have discussed dress styles, makeup / nail polish, let's discuss jewelry. There are many different types and styles of jewelry. Some styles of jewelry that you can choose from are necklaces, earrings, bracelets, and rings. There are also different types of jewelry. To name a few, some types of jewelry are diamond, crystal, silver, and gold. When it comes to jewelry, the royals have many different jewelry styles and types, and of course there are priceless jewelry styles. The family has jewelry that has been passed down from one generation of princesses to another. Today we learned that to look like a princess, one must wear a beautiful dress, makeup, and dazzling jewelry. You can choose between many different styles and types for each of those things, but they will all give you the ultimate look of a princess no matter what you choose. We may be older, but our dream of looking and even feeling like a princess can still come true.